Herpes and shingles. There was herpes zoster known to the doctors. Zoster, not zoster, I'm sorry, herpes zoster, and one other kind of herpes. Yes, but now a new breed of herpes is, threatening the peace of particularly American mind, which according to the last census had spread to 30% of the American population, which is born only and entirely from sexual misconduct. So this breed is called a sexual herpes. Genital, that is different. This is called herpes, which is like syphilis, something to do with excesses and misbehavior in this region. And this is the most painful and most intolerable disease. The doctors say, I have read some very good articles written by the people who are directly concerned with researches in this region, that of all the diseases known to man, this is one of those diseases which is most unbearable as far as the nerves go. And this is one thing which we have not been able to control properly because it recurs in two ways. Number one, no resistance is created after it is cured, and the defense system of the body, once activated in this direction, does not remember this fight, so next time it attacks, the whole process must go all over again of finding the right medicine, etc., to activate the defensive system of man. And secondly, because of the society being so promiscuous, that one person is cured today and gets the disease again from the other side. So they made a research and noted that sometimes it returned to the same person after traveling through the bodies of 100 different persons. This is what has happened to the American social system now. So this disease became a terror. 30% is not a small number of proportion of the population. And it was still spreading. So they declared a sort of breakthrough in the sense that at least for the time being, the patient could be cured. And before they were happy about it, there came AIDS. You see? So there is a positive direction. And more knowledgeable the man becomes, more unmanageable the new diseases appear. So it has a direction, it has a very positive message to us. So instead of taking that message, they want us to destroy the messenger. That we can't do. Right?
My second question is, although it helps us not to question any wisdom of whatever the commanders you might have with the Jamaat. For example, the trend of the belief of preaching towards Chinese community.
Pardon?
Towards Chinese community.
Chinese,
yes.
That's right, yes.
Although we should go and teach every single individual of the world and each group, what is that particular instinct which we should take in mind when we preach to Chinese? There must be some wisdom behind it when this has been put forward to the community. And the day we received this particular instruction that we should pay more attention towards Chinese, I was actually...
the fact is that the Russians and the Chinese are the two most important nations of the world, which the fate of the future world hangs upon the future conduct of these two most important nations in the world. And put together, I think they outnumber the rest of the world population maybe, or don't they? The Chinese have already crossed the margin of one Arab, that is 1,000 million. And the Russians, along with their satellites, would also be, beyond how many? Do you remember? Yes.
In India, they are 1/5 of the whole population of the world. Russia and India.
Russia and India are 1/5.
1/5 of the whole world.
So Russia and China put together
It will be more than
would be definitely much more. So at least 1/4, let's call it 1/4. So 1/4 of the population can't be ignored. And a population which is very important because it is going to be directly effective in making or unmaking the future of man. So we unfortunately have so far not been able to effectively make our contact with them. So in the recent years I have been paying attention to this particularly for two reasons. Apart from this factor, which of course has a merit of its own, which cannot be neglected, one belongs to the past and one to the future. Of Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi originated, in the remote past from the Chinese blood, Chinese stock. Because the Mongolians and the Turks, in those days, Turkistanis, they had the Chinese blood in them. And later on, many parts of those regions became Russian. The stock from which Masih ancestors came was in those days mainly Chinese stock or Mongolian stock, which had borders extending into China as well as to the Persian side, and got intermingled with them. So generally speaking or loosely speaking, we can say it was the Chinese stock from which Hazrat Masih Maud ancestors came. Later on, that stock got shifted politically to the Russian domain. And now a major portion of that is under Russian influence. And also, this is the past and the present. And about the future we read in Hazrat Masih Maud revelations that in Russia he sees his followers like the grains of sand in a desert. So connecting all this, I think this is a very, very grave responsibility of the Ahmadiyya community to draw their lesson from this and contact these important people. They belong to our past as well as to the present and to the future. And we can't absolve ourselves of our grave responsibility unless we do something about it. So the translations of the Holy Quran are being now made in both these languages. In Russian it is complete with the grace of Allah, and the expenses for the translation as well as publication, printing and publication were met by Choshanwa Sahib on behalf of his late parents. And the Chinese translation is also underway, and already there are offers from various families in some countries that we want to bear the expenses of one translation at least, so allot us some language. So I don't remember whether I have allotted the Chinese or not, but the money would be no problem at all. Already we have promises ahead of time. We can't move as fast as God is sending us money. So translation was also, it needs patient application. Otherwise, you can't be impatient with the translation without damaging the standard of the translation. So also